Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best tools to make your life easier. Today, we're featuring what I believe is the best ultra cleaning brush on the market. The Ultra Soft Detailing Brush from SPTA. If you're someone who loves keeping your vehicle in pristine condition, or maybe you're just looking for an easy way to clean hard-to-reach spots, this brush is a game changer. Now, let's talk about the key features that make this brush stand out. First, the ultra-soft bristles are designed to ensure that you don't damage any surfaces. Whether you're cleaning leather seats, delicate displays, or intricate dashboard details, this brush has got you covered without leaving a scratch. It's made from a combination of rubber, nylon, and soft bristles, offering strength and flexibility, all while being gentle on your car's interior. What I love about this product is its ergonomic design. The brush features a curved handle with a knob-like grip, making it really comfortable to hold, even during extended cleaning sessions. And the handle is covered with a soft rubber material that prevents it from slipping, which is important when you're working in tight spaces or reaching for those harder-to-reach spots. The handle design really makes a difference in ensuring that you're in full control, no matter where you're cleaning. This brush is also incredibly versatile. You can use it to clean a variety of surfaces inside your car, from the dashboard to the central control area, and even air outlets. Plus, it's large enough to cover big areas but still precise enough for more detailed work. So, whether you're cleaning your car, truck, or even your motorcycle, this brush will handle it all. One of the most convenient aspects of this tool is the included storage rack. After you're done with your detailing session, you can hang the brush up to dry, keeping it clean and ready for the next use. It's a small touch, but it makes the whole cleaning process that much smoother. If you're tired of dealing with brushes that don't hold up or brushes that scratch your car's surfaces, this ultra-soft detailing brush is exactly what you need. It's designed to make car detailing easier, faster, and more effective. So, if you're looking for a reliable detailing brush that gets the job done without damaging your car, the SPTA Ultra Soft Detailing Brush is definitely worth considering. Check it out, and get ready to give your vehicle the clean it deserves. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews.